Bore da, croeso nôl, welcome back. Now today we're going to sing the rainbow song. We're going to sing it in English and in Welsh, and we're going to use some Makaton. But I'm not very good at Makaton, so I need some help. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh!
Hello!
Hello! Look who it is! It's Karen from Busy Bees. Now, some of you may know Karen from Busy Bees, and I know someone who knows Karen very well. Katie! Look! It's your mum! Now, your mum has come, Karen has come to help us to do the Makaton signs for the colours of the rainbow. Are you ready? Are you ready? I think so. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. Listen with your eyes, listen with your eyes, and sing everything you see. You can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing along with me. Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. Well done, Karen, that was amazing. Did you join in? Well, thank you for helping us out, Karen.
You're welcome.
Now, we're also going to sing in Welsh. Do you know it in Welsh? If you don't worry, because we'll put the words on the screen, so you could learn it or you could join in. Okay, here we go. Barod, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Coch a melyn a fialet a glas, porffor a coren a gwyrdd. Dyma lliwiau'r enfys, lliwiau'r enfys, lliwiau'r enfys haf. Bwa friach ben, a'r hael yn dysglerion braf. Dyma lliwiau'r enfys, lliwiau'r enfys, lliwiau'r enfys haf. Coch a melyn a fialet a glas, porffor a coren a gwyrdd. Dyma lliwiau'r enfys, lliwiau'r enfys, lliwiau'r enfys haf. Da iawn pawb.